So this is what you are seeing on the screen. What you are seeing on the screen is my own personal automation system. It's not a public use space. It's not a public use platform. It's just a personal something I built for myself to manage my business. Now, the WhatsApp own is working perfectly fine. This is a previous developed platform that I created for my business alone to manage my WhatsApp and every other thing. Now, why I'm doing this video is to show you what is happening at the moment because I have a lot of social media accounts and I need to automate them. I don't want to be on social media 24 hours. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I have a lot of videos and I have a lot of comments on my post. And I cannot be replying to all the comments. It can take time. It can drain my energy in a day. Even if I hired a social media manager, it can drain them because they can't do everything. They're human beings like me. They can break down. So I decided to use tools like this to help manage this automation. Now, one of the things that I'm doing right now is to build a WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, Messenger automation, and thread automation. Now, what it does is that anytime somebody drops a comment on my Instagram page, this platform automatically reply that person and send that person a DM, like mini chat. Now, the same thing with TikTok. Anytime I drop a video on TikTok and somebody commented based on a keyword that I set up on this platform, right? When somebody comment there, this platform, this AI, this automation system I have here is going to reply that person. And once you reply that person, it's going to send that person a DM. Like for example, if I made a post and I say comment flow and you commented flow, this AI is going to be triggered and a message is going to be sent to your DM, and also you are going to receive a reply response to your comment. The same way we have on Facebook Messenger. It's one of the best one I have already because I have a lot of comments on my Facebook page as well. So I have thread as well. So these are the things that I'm building right now, and I love the way everything is coming out, beautifully. I can create a funnel here. Then this like a responder. I created this for the comment sections of my Instagram accounts. So the funnel name can be anything. Let's say, for example, in that post or in that particular post, somebody's the keyword is price, how much I'm interested. So anytime somebody drops I'm interested in the post, this particular system get triggered, and I will get the the thing we send a comment to the person and also respond to the person as well. So I'm just going to say text here, right? Then I'll just leave it like, let me say cost. I'll just say so let's just leave everything like this. Now I can add a lot of other things I want here and click on continue. Then the continue question is going to be, hey, just say hello, um check your DM for details. Just like a response to that person's comment. Then I'll click on continue. Then the comment is going to be what this is the DM the person is going to receive. I said, thank you for commenting. Here is the here is everything. Just give it to this comment. Here's everything you need to know. Then I'll put in my link. I'll just say something like Sepas, you know, like this. Something like that. Then put my link there. All right. And this is what the person is going to receive on their DM. So once the person comments on a post on Instagram based on a keyword, this automation is going to trigger and they're going to receive a response back from me. So it means that they're going to comment in the post and the trigger is going to send them, reply them, and automatically send them a DM as well. And it's going to add them to our CRM. So everything is just very, very simple. All right. I can create another one, create a new funnel. I can even create anyone, anyone I just, put any keyword here. I can say free guide, free book, a guide, or download. Guys, this is the what people are doing. So I'm going to click on continue. Just anyhow you want to just check your DM for the download links. These are the things that you can see what we have here. These are the things you can have in your system, and so that you can work. If you want me to help you set up these things, it's going to cost you a lot of money. It's going to cost you a lot of money. It's going to take time for us to develop it. So I have another one which is going to be the automation. Yeah, I'll click on create a rule. All right, this is a rule. Create a rule. Comment in keyword in comment and keyword in direct message. It's going to cost a lot of money, guys. It's not going to be easy. All right. So this is a personal something I built myself, though I have deployed it, but most of the things that I need It's not yet active. I'm still working on it behind closed doors. So I have the one for TikTok as well. You send me TikTok, okay? I go to comment section. I have these are the comments I have already, and no, I'll just remove the thing. I have comment triggered. I have lead generated and average conversion, because most of these comments can be overwhelming. So I can create a new rule, right? Price response that this is the automation read. The trigger keyword is going to be price, how much I want to buy so and so something. A reply you go to send to them, and they are going to receive this, a hi there, thanks for your inquiry, our price start and so and so something. This is everything that you most of you guys don't know about this, but this is what we use. All right, this is one of the things that if I do this thing and I deployed it, it's over for between me and you guys. So I'll click on save rule, and I've said that rule. Anytime I want to, I can even click on deactivate it. It can pause. If I make it to be online, it will be online. So anyhow I want to make it. The same thing with Facebook Manager. I go to Facebook automations, and on this page I'll click on create a new rule. On this new rule here, this is where I'm going to, keyword in post, keyword in messenger. Like this is everything. All right. Set up my name of my rule here, the keyword. I'm interested. How much is it? Send me a link. I want to buy. These are the keywords. You put it out here. Anytime somebody comments that thing, this keyword is going to trigger, and they're going to receive a reply and also a DM. This is the new way to get people's DM. The same way we have on Thread, where you have the Thread automation, the inbox here, and go to the Thread automation page and click on a new route and set up everything here. So if everything is working perfectly fine, go to the lead pipeline. These are my leads. All right, these are my lead here. All right, you just can grace this one. This is the lead here. I can see the lead from Facebook, and the person is a new person. It came from our service ad. All right, so it's not been assigned to any agent. So if I want, I can assign it to my AI agent. My AI agent can continue from this guy and respond to them. So I deliver it, tag delivery inquiry. Anyhow, I want to just make it, just click on close. You go to change to AI agent. You can see it here. So you have the WhatsApp. So pretty much everything. This is the new way that we do things on the internet today. So if you want this kind of system, it's going to cost you a lot of money, millions, in millions. Like, it's not going to be very cheap. It's going to cost you a lot of money, and of course, you're going to get value of the money you paid for. If you want everything that is here, if you want the exact same system I have here, just message me. You are going to get everything. WhatsApp is working. WhatsApp is working. Everything here is working. Every single thing here is here working. Like, I have the welcome message, away message. I have the lead pages, right? I have the lead page here. You can see the create a new lead page, select the page here, contact form. So let me just say this one, click on use template. So this is the form, and this is the form field, full name, email address, WhatsApp number. Let me show you the preview of how the thing looks like. Go to preview form. This is how the thing looks like. Just like when you're collecting a lead, this is how it's going to look like. So the person put their full name here and email address. This is how it's going to look like on a mobile phone. And you click on submit, you're going to get a lead. So pretty much everything. You can even click, add your autoresponder on it. So assign an autoresponder that automatically responds to that person, like a workflow. Let me show you how this thing works now. If I go to my flow builder on WhatsApp here, this is the flow builder here. I'll select a kind of flow that I want. I can just say, okay, order customer. Let me just say customer support. All right. So that person will come here. All right, let me just I will see update this particular flow. All right, I will update this flow so that you guys will understand most of the things that is going on here. So this is the flow here. It means that the keyword is detected on the WhatsApp DM and the message is sent. The person is going to wait for response. The flow is going to wait for response before checking if it is responded. You're going to add more flow here. So these are the things that go back to list. Just these are the things that we do. I can help you create if you want it to. Like I said, it going to cost you a lot of money. So if you really want to grow your business, if you want to list certain things, you can actually get a system and let it work for you. So thank you. This is where you put out the integration. I can also export my details out of my system, the Google Sheet. Everything is integrated right here. So if you need it, make sure you tell me that you need something like this, and I'll, get back to you.